Hello everyone, I am Nyakama Masha, the coding facilitator for the program Make Me a Coder at Do4SA. This program equips the youth with the information technology skills to prepare the youth for the fourth industrial revolution. Do4SA, on the other hand, is a dynamic force of change and optimism in South Africa, where educators and community builders dedicated to creating opportunities for those in the margin of society. Our team believes in the power of collaboration, education, and hands-on experience to drive social and economic transformation. Right? We achieve this transformation by connecting the technology, nature, and also by equipping the youth with the coding skills. Now, let's dive into the benefits of this program. Students in Make Me a Coder program by Do4SA will gain practical and industry-aligned skills that prepare them for real-world application or from real-world web development or for real-world web application development. This program covers both the front end, which is user interfaces for the web applications, and backend, which is server-side functionalities, ensuring learners understand the full processes of creating functional websites and web applications. So the first benefit of this program is building complete web applications. If you can complete a com if you can build a complete web application, then you earn a title of being a full stack web developer. Now, let's go to the front end, which is the first step of becoming a full stack web developer. Now, if you want to become a full stack web developer, you learn HTML, which is creating and structuring website content using tags and elements. And then after, you study CSS, which is cascading style sheets, styling web pages to make them visually appealing. Then JavaScript now, adding interactivity and dynamic features using the scripting language, which you call JavaScript. After we've mastered the front end part, you later go into the backend development. Now, for the backend development, you have languages such as Java, Python, PHP, and so on, etc. So now for this program, we'll be using Python and frameworks such as Django and Flask. And we'll be building backend logic, APIs, programming, application programming interfaces, and server-side functionalities. Now, Python is not just a program for backend development. After you've learned program, you can be a data scientist. You can be a data scientist. At the same time, Python is used in cloud. At the same time, Python is used in cybersecurity. Or Python is used in many other fields in the information technology. Now, let's go to MySQL, which is database management system. Now, this database management system, which is MySQL database, uses SQL, which is a structured query language, which is a language for managing databases. Now, we'll be storing, retrieving, and managing data for web application using or structured query language, which is SQL. Now, other benefit, which is structuring the web content. Using HTML tags, elements correctly, organize content with headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, and forms. Build clean and accessible page structures. Then styling the web pages. Students will understand inline, internal, and external CSS. layout techniques, flexbox, grid, colors, fonts, spacing, and responsive design for mobile devices. Meaning now students will be able to create web applications that are appealing and also web applications that are responsive irrespective of the size of the screen of device, whether it's a cell phone, whether it's a tablet, whether it's a desktop, whether it's a laptop. And also the fourth, we go to adding interactivity. Using JavaScript, learners will be able to create interactive buttons and menus, validate forms, build simple animations, respond to user actions, clicks, key presses, and hovers. Now, let's talk about the version control, which is Git, and also the cloud, which is GitHub. Students will learn how to upload and manage projects on GitHub, how to track changes using Git, how to collaborate on code with other developers. Now, the most important part is problem solving through coding. The program strengthens problem solving skills by teaching students how to break down coding challenges, debug errors, think logically, and plan solutions, and also apply coding concept in real projects. Now, what is coding? Coding refers to writing the set of instructions that are telling the machine or the computer what to do. For instance, we have a traffic light which controls the traffic. And then by writing the set of instructions that tells the traffic lights to change its color after a certain interval of time, we are coding. We are writing those set of instructions. We are instructing a robot to change its color after a certain interval of time. So that is coding. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel, and also I'll be creating another video for the next one, which will be about the World Wide Web, the internet, as well as the basic structure of HTML document. Thank you very much. Cheers.